Do you know most Ghanaians consider this food as a broke man's food, like for the poor people? But trust me, this is very healthy and delicious. Oh my god, I love it so much. You see the way your face looks horrible when you are chewing it in the car. That is just by the way. We are going to use our air fryer, okay, to prepare this. The person who gave me this will regret. Who gave me the air fryer will regret. Let's get started. I have 4 plantains here, and we are going to use only 3. I realized that it was too much for us. Okay, yes. So I'm just going to peel off the skin, then we proceed. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lina and welcome to my kitchen. So after peeling it, I'm just going to divide it into 2 and then we proceed. So if you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, oh my goodness, my love, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button so that when we upload new videos you'll be updated? Thank you for doing it for me. If you see the way I enjoyed this food, oh my god, it was like I've not eaten for like 1 week. That thing was nice. So I'll just put it in my air fryer, and we are just going to put this in the air fryer for just 20 minutes. So simple than using the oven. So after 20 minutes, this is how it is looking. So please watch the rest of the video for me, okay? Don't think we are done making it so you won't watch the rest. You can actually enjoy this with some stew, hot pepper, granite, anything that you want to enjoy this with. If I tell you I didn't enjoy this, then I'm lying, because the next day I made another one. Just look at this. You may think it is not well prepared, but much more like that. Purchase a delay. I'm just going to enjoy this. Please watch the rest of the video, and thank you very much. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can as well follow me on Facebook at Elizabeth Mommy's Recipes, and I will be very grateful. Please, if you have any recipe for me, you can drop it in the comment section and I'm going to try that. But I have a quick question for you. Do you enjoy your food in the kitchen or in the dining hall? Are you team kitchen or team dining? Let me know in the comment section. Mama bad.